Hey guys, so I got this dress from M&S and I've worn it once to work. However, I didn't really like the feel of it because I felt it was quite baggy. I'm quite wide on my bottom half and a bit slimmer on top, so it felt a bit baggy. So I've invited Nash over to come and help me style it.
So Karen is a pear shape, and so like she said, she's wide on the bottom, smaller on top. And although the dress is midi and it's modest and it looks great, it can still look a bit flimsy and it looks a bit kind of old school and doesn't look young as she is. It doesn't look as stylish as it could do. It's baggy in the wrong places, so it's hugging in the right places, but it's just baggy. There's too much fabric. So for someone who's a pear shape, you must have a belt. So I've got here a very thick, nice belt, which Karen's actually had in her wardrobe. She told me that she doesn't wear it all the time. So I've invited her to put on the belt with this dress that she's worn before, but she's never put them together. And so this belt is awesome because it's kind of, you can adjust it to whatever size you want. It even fits me, I tried it on. And because of the fact that you just thread it into each other and it has no buckle, you can literally tie it either bang in the middle or you can tie it on the side. I'm going to tie it on the side so that Karen can breathe and so that it also, just suits her overall. So when you wore it the first time, what shoes did you wear with it?
I just wore normal flats, like black flats, yeah.
And just to make sure that the fabric is kind of sitting right, you just kind of pull at the back of it on the sides to make sure that it doesn't have any just extra fabric for no reason. And then here we have it. How does that feel?
Yeah, it feels good. I think it looks really good.
Yeah? It was a little twirl. See, now it's a bit more fitted because she's got the belt, so it just cinches in at her waist. And for a nice casual look, I could just give her these nice sliders. These are from Primark. And they're very comfortable with a nice little clutch, which you can wear for a little barbecue, which I'll probably just take the straps and put it inside of the bag, like that. And then we have a nice little cute look for the barbecue. Put on some glasses and there you are, you're happy. But another way that you can dress it up, again, she said that she wanted to, well, she's worn it to work before. So another way to dress up the same look for work would be to just bring in some really nice sandals that you can wear to work. Like this, depending on the type of job you do, of course. But these are nice black platformed, what's it called, heels from M&S as well, which I'm just gonna change. Because it just means that she can still look nice in the office, a little bit more dressed up, but not over the top because she's got the heels that are completely comfortable because of the platform. And Karen lives in heels, so we'll be fine. Practical work bag. And there we have look number 2. Give us a little twirl. Yeah, how does it feel now?
Yeah, it feels really good. I feel like it's kind of giving me more of a shape, bring my shape back, and yeah, I feel very comfortable with the heels. Looks good, and I'm happy.
So would you wear this dress again without a belt?
Never without a belt, definitely. I'll get some more belts to.
Yeah, some more belts, please. Yeah. Another way as well that I was saying that Karen could actually style the same look again is by wearing these beauties that she's got. So they're like red barely theirs, and red always looks really nice with the stripes. And these stripes actually make her look a lot slimmer because the stripes are going horizontal. Because for someone who's curvy, you don't want to be doing too many prints that make you look bigger than you are. So having something like this, which is just stripes going across her body, makes her look slimmer overall. And so she could have like a nice red shoe with a nice red belt as well that could look really nice as well. So there we have it. That's how you can style your oversized dresses if you are a pear shape. That means you're curvy on the bottom, small on top, and you've got a small waistline as well. Thanks, bye.